Andy Phillips. Today we're going to show you how to change the oil and the oil filter on a Nissan Quest. So let's get underneath and get started with that. The items that you're going to need in order to complete the oil filter change, you're going to need a ratchet with a 9/16 socket on it. And that's to take off the oil pan drain plug. Next, you're going to need the oil for the vehicle, obviously. In this case, it takes 5W30, so that's what we're putting in there. And then you'll need your filter. So with those things all together, let's get started. Okay, so coming in from the front of the vehicle, you have your drain plug right here. And that's facing towards the back of the vehicle. And to the right of it is where you will find the oil filter. So if we slide over here, come on this side here, there's the oil filter. So just to the right of the oil pan, show it there one more time. And then coming over here is your drain plug. So right here's drain plug, just to the right of it is your oil filter. So we're gonna pop this off, get it draining. We'll take the filter off so that way we can get it ready to refill it. Okay, let's get the filter off. Give it a good turn just with your hand. It should come, there it goes, starting to move. If not, you can always use they make an oil filter wrench that'll take it off. But there we go, it's coming off slowly. We got the bucket underneath. It'll start dripping. There we go. Okay, so now we're just going to clean this off real good. Wipe that off. Get any residue off. Make sure that the little rubber gasket did in fact come off with the old filter. Just kind of inspect that. You don't want to leave that behind. That can cause problems. Clean this off real good. And we'll get ready to put the new filter on. Okay. There we go. Let's go ahead and get that on. Okay, get out the new filter. What you want to do is go ahead and lubricate this gasket. So I usually just take a little bit of the new oil. Go ahead and spread that around there. Just to put a little bit of a lubricant there on that seal so we can get ready to put that on. Here we go. Go ahead and put that on there and we will hand tighten that. Go ahead and give it a good rotation and then we'll hand tighten one last turn and we'll be good to go with that. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay, we're getting ready to put the drain plug back on. I like to wipe that off real good. Make sure that there's no junk or sludge or any kind of debris or anything on there. Clean it off real good. You can see that there. It's nice and clean. So we're ready to put that in and then we can refill it. Okay, so we have that in place. So what we're going to do now is tighten that. You don't want to over tighten it, so just, there we go. Not too tight. Give it a little more, let's see here. One little more click. There we go. All right, we're ready to fill it. We went ahead and topped off the oil, so go ahead and seal everything back up here, and then we'll go ahead and give it a start, make sure everything's fine, check for any leaks underneath, check the levels, and I think we're done with that. All right, well that pretty much wraps up this episode on how to change the oil and oil filter on a Nissan Quest. I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. As always, we appreciate your support. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time.